What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. So before we even get started, I just want to let y'all know that I'm gonna start recording my tutorials in 4K, so be sure to watch it in 4K. Today is gonna be making a tube top that you can wear in 3 different styles. Subscribe down below. Let's just get started. So first things first, this is going to differ for everybody. You're going to make a chain that's long enough to fit around your entire bust, which would be like the widest part of your breast. So mine ended up being around, it was between 32 or 34 inches. I don't even remember. I think I showed it in the video, but that's how long I chained it out. So you're going to make a chain that's long enough to fit you. I also do want to apologize because I'm not adding any subtitles in this video just because I'm not using the same editing software at the moment. So sorry, but this is like a really simple one. You really shouldn't need it. But if you have any questions, just let me know down below. Alright, so once you have your desired amount, you're going to block off and you're going to chain up 3, and then you're going to insert a double crochet into the stitch that you were holding off as you were blocking. And if you can't even do that, just count back the 4th space and add a double crochet in that spot. Next, you're going to insert a double crochet into each stitch all the way to the end. Keep in mind, you don't have to use double crochets. You can use single crochets, you can use half double crochets. It's completely optional. Alright, so here I am finishing up my first row at some point in my life. So when you finish this row, you're going to chain up 3, you're going to flip your work, and you're going to insert a double crochet not into the first stitch but the next stitch. It's really weird, like if you insert it into the first stitch, it's like you're increasing, but we don't want to increase, we want to keep it a straight border. Alright, so now I'm just going to go off camera and I'm going to complete however many rows that I need to complete to fulfill my bust lengthwise. And I think I did about either 13 or 14 rows. So I'll be back when I have those done. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now. We have like a super extendo rectangle. Alright, so now we're going to work a border For those who've already watched my tutorial, y'all know that I always work borders on like everything. So you're not going to cut and fasten, you're going to chain 1, and you're just going to insert 2 single crochets in each stitch along the shorter ends, and for the longer parts you're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Alright, so now I'm finishing up this border. You're going to cut and fasten when you get to the end, and make sure you go back and sew in all of your ends. So as you know, this is a tube top that can be worn 3 different ways. It's completely optional of how you want to lace it up. One of the ways is if you want to lace it, you will go in and out of each double crochet spot area and kind of like wrap it around the bottom like I'm showing you guys. I'll have a picture in here so you guys can see how I did it. Or honestly, if you just want to do it the regular way, you can just lace it up the back and switch it back and forth. It's really whatever you want to do with it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you keep on tagging me in your posts because I love seeing y'all's work. Let me know down below what you guys want to see a video of me doing next, and I'll try to get that out for you guys. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.